Hi there. My name is Dr. Gina Mantor with Dr. Mantor's Wrinkle and Weight Solutions. I am doing this video today in order to educate you in regards to proper skin care. I think that many physicians have their own opinion regarding proper skin care, and oftentimes physicians will simply subscribe to one line of skin care and just put everybody on that. But I personally feel that skin care should be personalized. However, there are some general rules of thumb that almost everyone, if not everyone, should follow when they're taking care of their skin. And in taking care of people's skin over the years, I've found that the majority of people do not exfoliate like they should. Your skin definitely needs exfoliation. As you age, I'll show you this diagram. As you age, your skin becomes unhealthy. The epidermis becomes very thick, and you need to get rid of those dead skin cells, to put it simply. They also, the actual cells themselves get thicker, and then down within the dermis, the important part, which I consider the engine of the skin, the dermis, that houses your important cells, such as your sebaceous glands that keep your skin moist, and your collagen and elastin forming centers, becomes lazy. So good exfoliation to the skin is crucial, not only to thin that epidermis, that outer layer, and make your skin appear smooth and vibrant and have small pores, so that your pores aren't all clogged with these dead skin cells here, but also to stimulate. If you have good exfoliation, it will stimulate the dermis, the engine of the skin, to do what it should be doing, so that those cells down there aren't getting lazy like the sebaceous glands, so that your skin is kept moisturized by itself. People think I can't exfoliate because my skin is going to be too dry. That's actually not true at all. You need to exfoliate. You need to stimulate your dermis so that your sebaceous glands are active and self-moisturizing. And then in addition, keeping the elastin and collagen forming centers active, so that you can fight against those lines and wrinkles that nobody likes to have as they age. So my line of exfoliating products, I recently just obtained within my practice, came about because of several discontinuation of lines from bigger companies, and it was very frustrating to me as these lines kept being discontinued. So I did a lot of research, and I finally came up with my own line out of California, and this is absolutely the most incredible exfoliating set of products that you can ever get. This is a glycolic acid face wash, 12%, excellent, but yet gentle. It is a very potent prescription strength glycolic acid chemical exfoliating scrub that you scrub with in the evenings. Everyone should always be washing your face in the evenings. And then in the morning, you want to go beyond that chemical exfoliation and do a mechanical exfoliation. And that's what the buffing granules are for. So it feels wonderful. You scrub at night with the chemical glycolic acid scrub, and then in the morning you scrub with these buffing granules, and it actually mechanically removes the dead skin cells and exfoliates your skin. And I haven't had anyone that can't tolerate it. It's nice and gentle, but yet very potent, and people's skin improves tremendously on it very quickly. So exfoliation. Number one, I find that not enough people are exfoliating like they should be. Next, everybody, I think, knows from a big, long time frame of it becoming kind of a fad about antioxidants, and how we need antioxidants to help to repair the damage that's being done to our skin. From everyday life and activity, and all of the things that are continually coming at us and our skin that need to be repaired. So you need to add antioxidants. You need to also add sunscreen, absolutely crucial. Everybody should wear sunscreen every single day, whether you're in the sun or not, because there is that damage coming from all different kinds of light, not just UVA, not just UVB anymore, but also infrared is damaging your skin. So you need to have a sunscreen. Retinol products or retin A products or tretinoin is something else that can be added and is very helpful. So I have one other product here called antioxidant infusion cream, again my own line. Absolutely incredible cream that has the antioxidants in it, and it has a tiny bit of retinol in it, and several other wonderful skin repairing products and a beautiful moisturizer. It smells absolutely incredible, and people absolutely love it. So this is a nice kind of overall foundation. If anybody feels dry at all, this definitely can help that, while you're also stimulating your body to hydrate itself. Then my favorite sunscreen is by Skin Medica. It's a tinted sunscreen, so I find people really use too much foundation. They want to cover everything up, and really what it's doing is causing more problems. If you can use a tinted sunscreen as your foundation and stop using foundation and then just add a mineral powder on top, you would be amazed at how well it covers, and then your skin will improve tremendously. So put this on every day. And so those would be the basic foundations. If you're really one that does not want to spend a lot of money on skincare, this would be the way to go. These 4 products, you kind of be hitting all of the basics. So exfoliation morning and night. You put your sunscreen on with a tinted tint to it. This comes without the tint. If you don't want the tint, you don't have to take it. But I love the tint. It's a sheer tint that pretty much everybody can wear, even men included. But and it just kind of smooths the skin. And then this, depending on how dry you feel, morning and night, or just in the evening. But this does have that retinol in it as well. This also has antioxidants in it, so you're hitting it from 2 directions with the antioxidants. So this is just your absolute basics, nice, cheap, easy. Everyone should do this. We can go beyond this to add more specialized products then, and that's where we get into specializing your skincare. And please excuse my French bulldogs in the background. They wanted to come to work with me today since I was not actively seeing patients in the afternoon. So I'm sorry for their activity. Anyway, TNS Essential Serum, growth factors, absolutely incredible. Very expensive. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. It costs a lot, but it will make a huge difference in your skin. It does it's the one growth factor definitively proven by Dr. Fitzpatrick to topically allow formation of collagen. So you can truly see the difference under electron microscopy of collagen formation when you're using TNS Essential Serum. Incredible stuff. So this would be, if you're going to splurge on something, this would be what I would add. If you want to add to that basic regimen I'm talking about, everybody can benefit from TNS Essential Serum, but it is costly. So I would add that to the basics if it didn't cost so much. But I know some people just don't have it in their budget to add this. Then beyond that, it's more individualizing. So I'm going to do a whole nother video on dark spots, brown spots, melasma, freckles, and what to do about that. So follow up on that video if you have that issue. The retinol in here is not really potent. It's mild, and a lot of people don't want to do tretinoin or retinol or vitamin A products because they feel like it's too rough and they peel and they're too dry. Just understand that I would rather you start with this and then work up, continue this, but work up to including a stronger tretinoin in your regimen. It doesn't have to be every day, but in the long run, it's going to help in a lot of different areas. You don't absolutely have to do that. It's not in the basic foundation, but it's something that, depending on your issues, if I were to be evaluating you as a patient, we may potentially want to add. And there are some different types of retinol products and tretinoin products. This is Skin Medica's retinol. It comes in 0.25, 0.5, and 1.0. And then Obagi carries tretinoin. So this is more of a direct hit. This is more potent. This has to be metabolized further by your skin. It spreads more evenly under the skin, but is not as powerful. So if I'm slowly working you up, we may start with this, then get up to this. This is the bigger dog. So it works more powerfully, but it exercises your skin. It's kind of like working out at the gym, working your muscles out. You hurt a little. You shouldn't have to hurt too much with tretinoin if it's titrated properly. You shouldn't have to be peeling and flaking all over the place, but you can't have to get used to it. So you don't want to just suddenly go to the gym and do the biggest workout you've ever done in your life on the first day. You want to work up slowly. That's how it is with tretinoin. You want to work up slowly so that you don't feel those side effects too much. So that's a lot for one video. I will have more videos on skincare and especially on brown spots because it's such a common problem. So until the next time, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.